What are the pros and cons of dating an older man, say 10 to 20 years older than you? If a 45-year-old foreigner asks you out on a date, what would you do? What unique experiences might a foreigner have when dating a Filipina compared to women from their own country? If you fell in love with an older man, would you tell your family and friends right away or keep it a secret for a while? Hello. Ay, excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami, kahit 2 minutes lang. Okay, thank you so much. Kailan na ang edad mo, be? 22. What is your name and age?
I'm Fatima and I'm 22 years old.
You're so beautiful, Fatima. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question, Fatima. What are the pros and cons of dating an older man, say 10 to 20 years older than you?
I think they will understand you much better. Comparing to dating to like younger than me. Yes.
How about the cons?
I think the cons is that um sometimes they will not understand you because you're much younger with them. So I think that's it for the cons. For yes.
Okay. What unique experiences might a foreigner have when dating a Filipina compared to women from their own country?
Um, I think for the when it comes to like culture, like for if a woman dating with having a male in the same culture, like they will understand much more each other because they have the same culture. But dating more like the other for a foreigner, so for example, is like they will have like parang differences when understanding each other in terms of like for living and also for the food, yes.
Okay, living and food. Other than that, what else? Like something that they're like, wow, this is new to me. I've never experienced this.
I think the how us Filipino like talk and also pinpoint something, and also the gestures, when we're like pinpointing something, we're like there are gestures that other foreigners are like not like familiar, or like it's new to them.
Like, can you give us an example? Like a gesture.
Yeah, like doon no, we're using yes, we're using our like lips to pinpoint something, yes.
So if they're dating a Filipina, expect that the Filipino will do that.
Yes, yes, every time. And also, if they are angry, they will just, dun ka, ganun, parang ganun, yeah.
Go like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. If you really like a man, what's one thing you would do to win his heart?
Um, cook him a food. Yes, that's the first thing I'm going to do if I really love a man. Cook him a food because my love language is food. When it comes to food, I love cooking. Yeah, so
If you're gonna cook him food, what would be the dish?
adobo. Yes,
Chicken or pork?
chicken. Yes.
We love adobo. Okay. If a 45-year-old foreigner asks you out on a date, what would you do?
um Ask him to where are we going to have a date, yes, because I think place is very important when you're having a date. And also yeah, I think that's the most important thing I would ask for a foreigner if they're going to ask me for a date.
Can you give us an example of a place that you might say no because he picked that place?
Something that is not common to people,
Like?
like private, super private area or like that. So I I think that's it. I love like meeting people with like having a lot of people, yes.
In public,
Yes,
like for
like-
example, restaurants.
Yes, that's
Okay.
it.
Okay. If you fell in love with an older man, would you tell your family and friends right away or keep it a secret for a while?
Um it's tricky. But I didn't fall in love in an older man. But if I were to fall in love in a for older man, I'll keep it sometime or a little bit for sometimes, because I think they will get in shock if they will know that I am in love or I'm having a lover with older than me. Yes.
Do you,
Mhm.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Sorry to cut you off. Do you think your family would be okay if you're dating an older man?
I think it depends because if that man has a respect with them, I think that would be possible. Like yes,
So it would be okay for them.
yes.
Okay. You're also working in a call center, right?
Yes.
How long have you been working here in Quantric?
It's been almost just 2 months because and also this is my first job. So yeah, it's quite I'm still in challenge for coping up with late sleep, and the environment and BPOs, we have no like we have different days of working and also hours, so I'm coping up with those things.
I know it's actually almost 7:58 in. Okay.
Actually, my duty is on 10 p.m. But since there's a typhoon, so I need to go here early. Yes.
Yes, we will have a severe tropical storm coming tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, pwede ka po ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami, YouTube. Dating. Like, 4 questions lang ata. May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Belle and I'm 18.
You're 18. Okay, how are you tonight, Belle?
Doing fine. Thank you.
Doing fine. There's a typhoon coming, but you're still like busy, right? Going to work.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So here's a question. What are the pros and cons of dating an older man, say 10 to 20 years older than you?
Pros and cons. Well, for me, the pro is that, siguro, I'm sorry. You will cut na lang, di ba? Okay, based on my observation, actually my parents, their age gap is about 15 years. And it seems like that my father is really matured enough for his age that he is really when it comes to handling relationships, I don't know if what you call this, but there's I don't know if it's called stereotyping, but it's expected the man will lead the relationship. And the con is that I'll give one of each, right? So one pro, one con. So a con that I can think of is that perhaps there will be times that, because of their big age gap, there will be lots of misunderstandings and conflicts.
What unique experiences might a foreigner have when dating a Filipina compared to women from their own country?
I think the unique experience is that they get to experience another culture. Yeah, something like that. And a set of beliefs and principles that may actually vary from country to country.
Okay. Can you give us an example, at least one, about our culture that they might be like, wow, I've never experienced this, something like that?
I think the first thing that came into my mind was the folk dance. Yeah,
Folk dance.
folk dance and I don't know the term, but like the instruments that they don't have,
Like?
but only Philippines has. I have no idea, but I think we all have that.
Okay. This one. If you really like a man, what's one thing you would do to win his heart?
One thing I would do to win his heart if I really like a man, I think that would be staying true to myself, because I know, if not most, but a lot people would lose themselves over loving someone. Yeah.
Okay. If a 45-year-old foreigner asks you out on a date, what would you do?
Actually, it depends, because right now I'm not looking for love or in a relationship, so I think I would decline that and I would refuse. Yeah.
What if you are ready to be in a relationship? What would you do?
Actually, I'm one of the people who thinks that age doesn't matter. But before any of that, before I jump into a relationship, I really wanna know someone before any of that.
If you fell in love with an older man, would you tell your family and friends right away or keep it a secret for a while?
I think everything takes time, so I'll keep it for a while and then tell them sooner or later.
Okay. You are 18 years old, right? Do you have like a, I don't know, are you no boyfriend since birth?
I've actually had before.
You had. Okay.
Recently, actually.
Okay. I guess you're working in a call center, right?
Yeah, actually. Yes, contract.
Okay. How long have you been working in contracts?
Actually, I'm just a trainee as of at the moment, and I began just this month.
Just this month. And how's the experience?
It's both stressful and fun.
Don't worry, even though it's stressful, you still look good.
Thank you so much for that.
She's in a hurry, guys, because she has work. Yeah.
But I'll be there on time. Thank you so much.
May we know what's your name and age?
Ivy po, I'm 30 years old. 30 po.
30 years old. If a 45-year-old foreigner asks you out on a date, what would you do?
Siyempre, mamaano po. Mahugma, siyempre po.
Okay, she will be happy. So you're gonna say yes.
Yes.
Okay. You're working, ma'am, in Robinson, ma'am, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Are you like someone that who couldn't talk English like totally?
No.
But you can understand me, right? It's just that this is like very common to hear. But anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. Really appreciate your time. Hi, everyone. Thank you for hanging out with us, and hopefully we earned your subscription. If you want extra videos and weekly posts, check out our memberships and our new Patreon. Links will be in the description and pinned comment. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.